How to change Facebook name on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now simply go to settings. Now tap on account center. Now scroll down. Now tap on personal details. Now simply go to profiles. Now select your Facebook. Tap on name. Now tap on the name. Now change the name. Now simply tap on review change once you're done. Tap on save changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.